Do you want salon quality hair at home? Watch and find out how. Welcome to Beyond Tresses, a new series presented by TRESemmé where style meets science. We share the secrets behind TRESemmé's salon expertise. No matter what your hair type is, you can never go wrong with a keratin-rich shampoo that can help address multiple hair concerns, from tangles to frizz to dryness. TRESemmé Keratin Smooth is expertly crafted with keratin protein complex. Keratin is a type of protein that can be naturally found in your hair and nails, but exposure to the sun and pollution can make the hair lose its natural keratin, leaving it weak and damaged. That's where TRESemmé comes in. It helps nourish dry and frizzy hair, giving you 10 salon benefits in one wash. It cleanses thoroughly and deeply penetrates into the core of the hair. Now, if you're rocking some fabulous blonde locks, then you would know the struggle of maintaining that perfect shade. So you need a shampoo that's specially formulated to make the hair color stay to slay. The TRESemmé Blonde Brilliance is for you. The Antibrass Purple formula in this range helps neutralize brassy tones. Why purple? Because it cancels out yellow. It's color science. So it helps preserve the shade of blonde for longer. It's also infused with nourishing jojoba oil, so it doesn't just help protect hair color, it helps nourish hair too. So, whether it's the Keratin Smooth series or the Pro Color series, TRESemmé's got you covered with salon expertise and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned for more Beyond Tresses videos. We're diving deep into the world of style and science to help you achieve salon quality hair at home so that you can look and feel your best every day.